This looks so good. This is the closest thing to paint that I've seen. Oh, what?
It's fire.
Welcome back to the Chicago Auto Pros channel, everybody. Today we're doing a color change PPF wrap on this C8 Stingray Corvette. This is a special film because it is a dry fit PPF, so it has all the benefits of paint protection film and the rock chip protection, but it also has the cool uniqueness of vinyl, which is different colors, and this one's actually a really cool color shift. Guys, I've already started, got the two fenders done. But this looks so good. This is the closest thing to paint that I've seen. My biggest gripe with any gloss vinyl has actually been like the texture to it. It looks good from like 5 or 10 feet away, but you get right up to it and you can see the texture to it. This film has very, very little texture to it. It actually looks like a painted surface when it's all done. What color is this called?
Galaxy.
Galaxy. Wonder if it hurt if I stuck it to my face and did two little eyes. All right, I'll try it. All right. They said it's high tack. Super high tack.
Yeah.
Looks pretty nice. No wrinkles. Oh, what? All right, I have work to do.
So this is my first time installing Flexishield. It's a hybrid of vinyl and PPF. One of the things that I'm struggling with the most is just getting it to hold on the backside because it's a thicker film with a different type of adhesive. Normally PPF, you can just wrap it over, get it to the edge. The adhesive is strong enough where it just grabs onto the panel. Flexishield's a little bit different. It's a little bit trickier, but I'm learning new tricks on how to get it to wrap underneath. I found that just applying a small amount of heat and just watching the film curve itself around the edges, I'm finding the best luck with that. And then on corners, we found that you just have to kiss it and then it'll go down. I assume you want to do the hood next?
Yes.
Okay, I'll measure it out. 65.
With 48 or 60?
50. And then I'll use the other 10 for that pillar.
Bumper next.
We'll have to put it back together, right?
Yeah, so we're gonna put it back on. We're just gonna put 4 screws on the sides. We're gonna install the PPF because that deep recess on the front bumper, it's pretty hard to wrap it.
Looks very nice.
Should we take any part off, like these?
Can we?
Yes. You want to do the roof piece? We have it there.
That one?
Yeah. Well, if you want to do that, we can lay it down together. You can cut it. I can take off the doors and stuff. Okay. Or I can put the bumper on, actually.
Do the transition up.
Can we flip it and see what we did?
Looks good. Yeah, looks really good. It's kind of crazy.
Why?
Because you look at it.
You look at it, it's super hard.
It looks so hard, but now it's done, and I'm like, oh, we can do that again.
Yeah, right, we did it. But the hard part, it was like, how are we gonna do the front bumper? I don't think I can do this.
It's done.
And we took off the parts, so this is the right way, I think, to do it.
To do this material on this car, yeah. Yes. You have to take off the whole front end. This makes me kind of want to wrap my car.
Yeah, me too.
A little bit.
Same.
It's a hard bumper to do.
Yeah, it's tricky.
But it's all one piece. You want to put it back on?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the headlights first.
Can we clean this up first?
What?
The mess?
The mess? Yeah,
the mess.
we can do that.
Hey, show the
That's
mess,
gonna help
Chris.
me more. Yeah. Get back and see the mess.
This is what it looks like when you do this front bumper. Tell me that don't look good.
Bro, how does it not stick?
It sticks, but then it doesn't stick. How does that make sense? But if you try to take it off this right now, it's a brick. Yeah. Even though it's hard work, I still much rather do this than anything else. I can complain all I want, but I still do the coolest shit. What time is it? What? No way. LB. It's 4:52. How? I thought it was like 2 or 3. Time flies when you don't know what the hell you're doing. I could just see all the comments. That guy's working on that car. He doesn't even know what he's doing. I'm kidding. I just be joking. I just like joking a lot.
Good morning.
All right, so yesterday we got a lot done. We were able to do the hood, both fenders, the whole front bumper, disassembly, and then reinstall. That's like 4 or 5 hours worth of work. But it turned out amazing. Started this top pillar a little bit. This morning, we decided to go borrow the detailer's lift. We brought the lift in, we're gonna jack the car up, and we're gonna get started on like dismantling the doors, taking the mirrors apart. We can lay some film on these doors and the rear quarters, and hopefully we make great progress this morning. Yesterday was stressful because I messed up my back over the weekend. Today I feel a little bit better, like 10% better. That's a cool ass car. This film is just a learning curve and it's pretty hard to work with. It's fun, but it was a little bit stressful, but we're having fun. The lift pucks that we're using, they're like the big square ones. We need something a little bit skinnier or more circular. Hockey pucks for sale. Let's see.
Okay, well, you can go by. I can take off the parts.
We're going to the store. We'll be right back. It cuts to me at Panera, just eating, and I'll be struggling working, and I'm just like shopping. Just having fun. All right, let me go to the store.
So E-Man, he just went to the store to grab the hockey pucks. So right now, I'm just gonna take off the door panels, the mirrors, and the door handle too, so we can wrap the door and put it back on, then continue for the rest of the car.
Dear Delilah, I hate you. So I'm trying to get some measurements on the sides of this car. As it is right now, we only have 1 full roll, so I'm trying to measure out and calculate exactly how much film I can use without losing or throwing away film. Hatch, and then rear bumper. 36, 82. Things turning out pretty freaking awesome. Me and Albert are just gonna go to town. We're gonna kill this install today, and we're gonna keep moving.
So right now, we're gonna start with trunk piece. I'm gonna take some top parts off, and then we're gonna start with rockers, and that should be it.
Okay, well, you take that apart. I'll finish that front piece, and then we can work simultaneously. Setting a game plan for every car is key. That's how you get shit done. All right, so me and Albie are about 97% done with the whole install. Right now we're going around, we're post-heating the film. We're taking out some scratches that were left behind from the squeegees. We're checking to see if any air pockets are popping up. We're checking all the recessed areas. We're making sure that the film stays down in there. This is probably the final step before we can send it off to our other team so they can finish off the job. Albie, just go like this, right to 10.
Alright, so now that Albie and E-Man got done with the Flexishield wrap, it's my turn to tint. I had already done the sides, but customer wanted to add the front windshield, so Albie's sweat, blood, and tears are on the windshield. I need to clean that off. You gonna shrink it too, Albie? Oh, snap. That's the first, guys. Time to shrink. Windshield's in, but we got one hair, and I'm gonna take it up. Okay, I think I got it. I think it looks good.
The whole vehicle is now prepped. Now we're gonna pull it in the clean room and coat it. It's fire.
This video is sponsored by Detailer's Roadmap. These guys are the gurus when it comes to building websites. I originally did our first website because I wanted to save some money, but the problem was, while it's not too hard to figure out how to put some images and words together on a site that look okay, we actually put ourselves at a disadvantage because I didn't know how to properly set it up. Keywords, descriptions, and other important key elements help your site rank on the search engines. Most people find you on the internet. This is no secret. Having a properly set up site is going to get you more leads and make you more money. Take some time, go talk with the Detailer's Roadmap crew and see how they can help you get found with a professional website. Link in the description below.